Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So, I'm looking at these two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Philips 3200 series with LatteGo. Both seem pretty decent, but I'm trying to figure out which is better.
Yeah, I've been glancing at them too. The De'Longhi boasts 6 one-touch recipes, including iced coffee, which is a plus. The Philips only mentions 5, but it highlights cappuccino and latte macchiato.
Good point. Iced coffee is a win in my book. The De'Longhi also has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings, which sounds pretty customizable.
The Philips also mentions having adjustable grinder settings, specifically 12 steps. So, pretty similar there it seems. However, the Philips highlights its ceramic grinders, saying they're good for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
Wow, 20,000 cups. That's impressive. The De'Longhi doesn't specify a lifespan for its grinder, but it does say its parts are removable and dishwasher safe, so cleaning would be easier.
Ease of cleaning is key. The Philips emphasizes its LatteGo system is super easy to clean, only 2 parts and no tubes. They claim you can clean it in like 15 seconds.
Okay, that's a huge selling point for the Philips. What about milk frothing? The De'Longhi has a traditional milk frother.
Philips uses its LatteGo system for milk frothing, which they claim creates silky, smooth froth using cyclonic frothing technology. Sounds fancy, and potentially less messy than a traditional wand, I guess?
Interesting. The De'Longhi weighs a hefty 20.8 pounds, whereas the Philips is listed at a ridiculously light 0.01 ounces. That's got to be a mistake, right?
Definitely a mistake. Looking at the dimensions, they're both fairly similar in size. The Philips is listed as 17 by 10 by 15 inches, and the De'Longhi is 17.32x, 9.45x, 14.17 inches.
Right, makes sense. Okay, so to recap, De'Longhi has one more drink option and dishwasher safe parts, while Philips champions easy cleaning and a longer lasting grinder. It's a tough call.
It really is. I guess it depends on whether you value the iced coffee option and easy cleaning is more important.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.